What's up guys? Well, we are allowed to dance under disco light, isn't it? But disco light do cost more. Then what is a better way to get an inexpensive disco light? Yes, at the back you can see my smartphone is acting as a disco light. In this video, let me show you a trick by which you can convert your smartphone into a disco light. Hey, if you are the first time visitor here, do consider subscribing to our channel and also hit the notification bell icon so you'll never miss any update when a video goes live here. With that being said, let's get started. For this trick, you'll need to download this application called as the Beat Find. I'll give the link in the description below, go and check that out. So first, let me tell you what this Beat Find is used for. Suppose, consider an example that you're traveling in a bus or a train and the person nearby you is playing a beautiful song and you're very inquisitive to know what song it is. So just open this application, you will have an interface like this. You have this lightning symbol as well as the search bar. Just press on the search bar, then you're all set. This application will find out the music and let you know what music is that so that you can also enjoy that music with you. So let me come to the next important thing, how to get this disco effect. As I said at the very beginning, you will have two options, lightning as well as a search bar. Now just click on this lightning button and then you're all set to go. Now when you play any song, you will get this disco effect along with that song's beat. Here is an example. I'm just playing a song and I'm keeping near to this mobile and there you can see this disco light is automatically turned on. And now you can enjoy a beautiful disco effect along with your friends and you can have a great party at your home when you want it. This application will be really helpful to make a small party at your home or even an unplanned party. Hope you found this video interesting and also useful. If so, give this video a huge thumbs up and also share this with your friends. Let me catch you guys in the next awesome video. With that being said, I'm Gautam and I'm signing out.